Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions useful for all the upcoming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of previous day's video in today's description below. If anybody needs it, do download it. Let's start. Who is the only Indian to receive Soul Peace Prize? Narendra Modi, Pranab Mukherjee, Ram Nath Kovind, Manmohan Singh. Answer is A. Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi became the first Indian to receive the Soul Peace Prize. He received this award for his contribution to growth of Indian and global economies, creating Modinomics, for reducing social and economical disparities and also promoting global peace and harmony through inclusive economic growth and improving quality of life. They received a prize amount of around 1.4 crore rupees to be used for the Namami Gange program. And any award, you need to remember the established year is very important. The Soul Peace Prize was established in the year 1990. And this award will be given every 2 years, biennial recognition with monetary award to commemorate the success of 24th Summer Olympic Games held in Seoul of Korea. Remember, Seoul is the capital city of South Korea. Who is appointed as the first Ombudsman under the new BCCI constitution? Lieutenant General Ravi, Justice D.K. Jain, Rahul Johri or Vinod Roy? Answer is B. Justice D.K. Jain is appointed as the first Ombudsman under the new BCCI constitution. Now, who is an Ombudsman? Ombudsman, also known as the Public Advocate. Now, he is an official who is charged with representing the interest of the public by addressing the complaints of maladministration or violation of rights. Supreme Court appointed its former Judge Justice D.K. Jain as the Ombudsman for the BCCI and Lieutenant General Ravi as the third member of the Committee of Administrators. Now, if Ravi is a third member of the CEO, then you need to know the other two members also. Yeah, Vinod Roy and Diana Adulji are the other two members of the Committee of Administrators managing the BCCI. The first job of the Justice D.K. Jain would be to look into the allegations of sexual assault against BCCI CEO Rahul Johri. Advocate Prashant Bhushan had sought an urgent hearing on review pleas in which case? Sabarimala case, Rafale deal, Ayodhya or Reliance Communications and Ericsson case. The answer is B. Rafale deal case. Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi assured petitioners the Supreme Court would hear the pending review pleas against its December 14th judgment in the Rafale deal case. Mr. Bhushan had sought an urgent hearing on review petitions and a plea seeking proceedings against the government officials who had misled the court through unsigned confidential notes about the facts in the case concerning the deal for the purchase of 36 Rafale jets. Ministry of Home Affairs had approved a plan to provide air transport for the Central Armed Police Forces officers holding the rank of Constable, Head Constable, Assistant SI and SI or all of the above. The answer is D. All of the above. Earlier, only the officers in the rank of inspectors and above enjoyed this facility, but from now onwards, all the personnel in the rank of constable, head constable, and assistant sub-inspectors will be eligible. All ranks of Central Armed Police Forces deployed in the Kashmir Valley will be entitled to commercial flight services to either join duty or while proceedings on leave. Now, this is an order by the Ministry of Home Affairs, which would benefit almost 7.8 lakh paramilitary personnel in the country. Shahpur Kandi Dam project will be implemented on which river? Ravi, Bias, Satluj or Jhelum? The answer is A. Ravi. Union Cabinet approved construction of the Shahpur Kandi Dam on river Ravi in Punjab. Remember, 95% of the Indus eastern flowing rivers used by India and remaining 5% is flown to Pakistan. So therefore government decided to stop our share of water which used to flow to Pakistan and waters from the eastern rivers to be diverted and supplied to Jammu and Kashmir and Punjab. Indus Water Treaty, very important, we have already discussed previously but revise once again. It was signed in the year 1960 by the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, and the then President of Pakistan, Ayub Khan. Now expect a question from this area: west flowing rivers and east flowing rivers. West flowing rivers are used by Pakistan, Jhelum and Indus, and east flowing rivers used by India, Satluj, Beas and Ravi. Samajwadi Party and Bahujan Samajwadi Party not to field candidates in which of the following constituencies: Varanasi, Gorakhpur, Lucknow, Amethi, Allahabad, Sultanpur, Amethi and Raebareli. The answer is D, Amethi and Raebareli. These are the two constituencies held by Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi. In coming Lok Sabha elections, the state of Uttar Pradesh will be very, very important. The Lok Sabha constituencies in Uttar Pradesh is 80 seats. Remember this number, previously asked in many exams. Samajwadi Party to contest in 37 seats and Bahujan Samajwadi Party to contest for 38 seats, and their alliance will make up 75 out of 80 seats, and the remaining 5 seats Rashtriya Lokdal to contest for 3 seats, and remaining 2 seats Amethi and Raebareli not to field any candidates. The Samajwadi Party founder Mulayam Singh Yadav, founded in the year 1992. The current president is Akhilesh Yadav. Bahujan Samajwadi Party founder is Kanshi Ram, founded in the year 1984, and the current president is Mayawati. Remember the parties and their history, very important from exam point of view. Which of the following nations are the permanent members in the United Nations Security Council? Recently, UN Security Council condemns the Pulwama attack, and it also names the Jaish-e-Mohammed on the statement as having taken the responsibility for the attack. The options are China, France, USA, all of the above, or only B and C. Answer is D, all of the above. The permanent members of the United Nations Security Council, also known as the Permanent Five or Big Five, are France, China, USA, Russia and United Kingdom. Remember these countries, very important. Any one of the 5 permanent members have the power of the veto, which enables them to prevent the adoption of any substantive to draft council resolution regardless of its level of international support. Now this means the single negative vote rejects the resolution. United Nations Security Council was founded in the year 1945, headquartered at the New York of United States. The total member states are 15 with 5 permanent members and 10 non-permanent members. Who is considered as the chief architect of the 2016 surgical strikes in Pak-occupied Kashmir? Lieutenant General D.S. Hooda, General Bipin Rawat, Lieutenant General Ranbir Singh, or Lieutenant General Satinder Kumar? Answer is A. Lieutenant General D.S. Hooda is considered as the chief architect of the 2016 surgical strikes in Pak-occupied Kashmir. He is a former Northern Army commander, and Lieutenant General D.S. Hooda will head the Congress Task Force on the National Security. Let's see the question for the day. International Shooting Sports Federation World Cup 2019 has been inaugurated in which of the following city? New Delhi, Guwahati, Ahmedabad or Bhubaneswar? Mention your answers in the comment section. Let's see the answer for previous day's question. International Mother Language Day is celebrated every year on Feb 20th, 21st, Feb 22nd or 23rd. The answer is B, February 21st. As rightly answered by Sagar, Vijita, Amulya, Mallesh and Indravadan. Thank you all guys for following my videos regularly and for taking your time in giving answers. The theme for the 2019 is Indigenous Languages Matter for Development, Peace Building and Reconciliation. International Mother Language Day is celebrated every year on February 21st since the year 2000 to promote linguistic and cultural diversity and multilingualism. Quote for the day: your best teacher is your last mistake. So learn from your mistakes and correct yourself so that you become a better person tomorrow. This is it for today. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.